Today we're with Ibukun Baldwin, visual artist and social practitioner. We're working with Ibukun here on our Revive Women's Banner project. We've just finished the session for today. So, welcome Ibukun. Hi.
Hi.
I'll just start with a quick fire round, a few quick questions for you, just so we can get to know you a bit better. What's your favourite drink?
My favourite drink is lychee juice. It's very tasty. Yeah.
Good. And what's your favourite location or venue in Manchester?
My favourite location in Manchester is... Ooh, that's difficult. I would say Zifferplatte in the Northern Quarter. It's got loads of board games and like different drinks. And it's
Nice,
really
yeah.
fun and chill.
Good place to hang out. And what colour socks are you wearing?
I'm not
yeah.
wearing socks.
No socks. What's for dinner tonight? What's for tea?
For tea, I don't know. But we'll see. Hopefully veg. I've decided this week I'm just going to eat veg.
Great, good. And what's on your playlist at the moment?
At the moment
What are you listening
is
to?
a band called Oh Hellos. They're like a folk band and I just really love them. They're very relaxing.
Cool.